Today, Trump's 2-0 up on Joe O'Connor.
Thank you.
Bingham 1 each with Tom Ford.
Stuart Bingham to break.
Jack Jones is still on 22. He did have a couple of chances earlier to equal the record of 23 and obviously then a chance to surpass it, but he's still got matches to come.
Now that's a much better break off, and really that is the perfect break nowadays. If you cover the left side of the table or the right side with the yellow or green and leave the red spread far and wide, that's the only shot you've got which can go wrong. Tom's played that so well, catching the thin edge. When the red's open as well like that from the break, it cuts off the option to roll off the side cushion and into one, try and nestle up to something. Well, he needed to get very lucky from that shot, did Tom. I don't think he has. This red will pop to the left middle pocket. He can just get past the green.
One.
Well, he's really got into that. As Stuart, he holds his hand up because he's on the red to middle.
4.
He didn't play on it. But now, in potting the red to the middle pocket, how does he get on his next colour? Can he hold and play a little cannon for the pink, or is the cue ball travelling further on? Oh well, the black pots. What a massive help that is. So from nowhere really, he's found himself absolutely plumbing amongst them again. He'd like to clear this black spot as quickly as possible, the red closest to left corner, and this one
12.
that he's about to take away now. They're the two problem balls for the time being.
13.
Yeah, I mean, he's just one of the best in the business in this sort of position. Bingham has always been known for heavy scoring.
21.
Played a lot of sports when he was young, you know, that generation that had access to sport in the community and enjoyed his football and golf and various other things, but snooker became the real passion.
Well, has the cannon gone wrong? I thought he was guaranteed to be on the red, just right of the black to the right corner pocket, and there you can see that he isn't on it. Didn't get enough movement from the cannon. Oh, I can't believe it, he's not made a century.
Yeah, rare event today. Not had many close frames, have we?
28.
could see as well the slight annoyance, because had he got on a red there, it was a wonderful chance to again win a frame in one visit.
Well, Tom needs help here, and I think he's going to get it. Caught the red a lot thinner than he intended and sent it over the left corner pocket, and in doing so it's actually put Stuart in a bit of trouble now, because he's got to cover that red.
Ooh, I think he thought he got that. Not to be.
Yeah, I think he was walking here, Tom. He was up and on the move.
Well, they'd be very disappointed to have missed that for sure.
Yes.
Bingham's going to need all the long stuff. Well, all sorts of length being added to this queue. And you've got to get it all out of the way again.
1.
Dominic Dalwell, commentating with him last week on the Masters, he was raging about various players. We saw that Bingham did screw in the little extension, but there were various players who could have done that. We were just using the sort of as Dominic called it, a plastic sleeve that is just there anyway. And he said it made it much harder to control. He didn't understand why they weren't, screwing the extensions on. It's a niche point, I know, but that's Dominic.
Of all the things to get irate about, that's another very well played shot from Stuart into a big area, yes, but he's landed absolutely A1 on this red to just hold for the black into the opposite corner pocket. And very, very quickly has found himself back in amongst the business end of the table. Probably a little cannon just to the red above, and to the right of the black is required here, and then this is pretty much, well, it looks a formality really. There isn't really that much to be done with the cue ball now.
12. $13.
Played to be straight on this black, so he could just screw back underneath his arm, off the cushion. The red high of the two close together will pass to left corner. That will then open up the other one.
20. $21. $28. $29.
Well, it was a big miss from Ford, doesn't it?
36.
And it looks like it's cost him the frame because Bingham was already a few in front.
37.
Needs this black. Ford needs Snookers, and it's taken no time at all for Bingham from losing that close opening frame. Remember, he missed the green initially, not easy, but had an outside chance to win it. Since then, he's been completely dominant. Ford has not potted a ball.
44.
Yeah, still the outside
45.
of chance of a century break here. There's enough on.
$52. 53. 60.
Well, he misses that one, but the frame has well and truly won. 60 from Stuart Bingham, and he now leads Tom